Welcome to the part 5 of this tutorial. I'm Abhishek Inamdar from Keyframes Online. Uh, so this is what we have done in previous parts. So if you have missed those previous parts, do check all those things so you will have a better understanding of how and why I have did this. So let's get started with this lesson. So now we will be adding a wooden wall in the first floor balcony. So just take a spline, from here to here it will be covered with the wall. Just convert it to editable poly, editable spline. Give extrude 1 feet. And this will be till here. I'll make 0.5. Say snap on. So basically this is a wall and it's a bedroom, and this is the window of the bedroom. So this is how it will be seen as a wooden texture. It will be on work of structural work. It will not in wooden, but the texture will be of wooden texture will be there. So I'll just make a slide. Okay, this is what, and view is from this side. So we not need to make again the wall like this, but still safer side we can do that. I can make a copy. Can say snap angle. Snap block. Can place, let it be if it's going inside, because as of we are not concerned with that side of the view. Just off my snap. It's very disturbing when we don't need it. Now we'll work with the wooden design on the stairs side. So I can go to front view. Take the rectangles. Convert it to editable spline. Extrude with 0.2. This is the perfect, and let's say instance, not a copy. The gap will be somewhat same. I can make here. make again, say 30. It's fine. So now this wooden design will make a separate group of it. So while texturing, it's very easy to give the textures. Say wooden design 01. Say wooden design 02. Now we have done the group. I'll just make a copy of, now I'll make these windows. For plans we can directly convert it to editable poly, and selecting, just shift drag that object, say inset, I'll press S on keyboard to snap the value. Now the thing is, we have to make this windows 10 feet and point. This is 12 feet. So, okay. So I'll just off my snap. Will extrude it. I'll change my pivot point. Say minus. Minus 0.01. Will lift slightly from the ground, so we can give the payables and the plants over here. And this is the swimming pool area, so there will be more depth. So what I'll do on this side, and baby pool will be less depth, 10 feet. So I'll just make a box, drag this vertex, so there will be a gradually increase in the depth. And so this box I'll place. This is generally how the swimming pool is designed. So, and the reason why I have taken this yellow borders, but not for the swimming pool actually, but for the wooden texture. So what I'll do is I'll just go and drag the vertex. So this was, or you can say segment also we can do with the height. Same thing can be done here. So this will be wooden textured area. And slightly will come down with the amount. Will be 0.2, and from here it will be tiles for swimming pool, but slightly we have to drag this just off box the angle snaps. So I'll add edit poly. the best way to make a simple box. It will be easier. Slightly beyond the tiles, so it should visible the tiles also, and the same thing can be done over here. Now it's fine. So select. Now we'll add the railing. Just take the line and we'll start from here. I'll add sweep to it. A sweep, and I'll say cylinder, and the radius will be 0.2 or 0.1 also will fine. So we have to increase the add edit poly to match. This will be this line with SS design, with the SS material. Then I'll make another one, and this will be more or less with the width. Just make a copy to make a roof. 0.05. okay, so I'll just make this unique, and I don't want the instance now, so match this point. This will be point on my keyboard 1, and this will be closer. We'll find instance. So it's now perfect, and here is the stairs area. So we'll make we have to make these punches for the stairs, and we have to add some this was to it, so we can do, and start with in next part we'll make arrangement with the sofas and give the detailing to the swimming pools and add plants and many more things like boundaries, and we'll make some fine towards final changes. So then later on we'll go and add materials, lightings, and then rendering. So thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like my lecture, do subscribe my channel, that is Keyframes Online, and if you have any kind of doubts, do let me know on my comment box so I can really sort it out. So thanks for watching my tutorial. Meet you in next part. And for upper part, it will be 10 feet. And same, I will make a copy. So here I want height, fine, height will be 2 feet. And this will be 8 feet. Just check this. It's 10 feet. towards make a copy of it, or we'll stretch the same object, go to convert it to edit poly and stretch with the vertices, drag this and just we will arrange this roof why we have added. Okay, just take a little bit up because it's straining our so we have to come down with this. With 8 feet. And this will also be 8 feet. Fine. So I'm going to Boolean this, and for Boolean I really use less Boolean command because of when we use Booleans in our scenes it becomes very heavy and it's very become crash prone. So I really avoid the Boolean as much as possible, but yes, if there is no way, of course we can get this done with the Boolean, but there is a technique to do this. So what I'll do is I'll just go and say attach with this guy. So now these are one object and this will be the second object. So we'll make sure we will not make any of those punches now. So this will be the only Booleans what we are doing. So I'll select the bigger object. I'll go to compound objects. Going to Boolean and pick operand B. I'll say Boolean. So I'll just save my 3D Max file, because before Boolean actually we have to save the file. I'm so sorry to tell you that, so I have not done that, so you please do this. So I'll just pause my video. So now I'm selecting this one and I'm going to Boolean and say pick operand B. Now it's done. So in next part we'll do with those windows over here, glass over here, and too many things. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, do subscribe my channel, that is Keyframes Online, and if you have any kind of doubts, do let me know in my comment box. So thanks for watching my tutorial. Meet you in next part.